Hello everyone, I greet you guys. I hope you have been doing well in NNU. I hope you guys are making lots of money in NNU. If not, I suggest that you check my old videos on how to make it big on NNU. In this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how to submit posts on forums and make money from it. Just hook on. Now, to start with it, when you have to log into your account, and I will just refresh my own because I already logged in. I just refresh my account by clicking on my account. Now, when it actually loads, I'll show you guys how to go and submit forum topics and earn a lot of money from it. Now, once your account has already loaded, now you have to go to front page. You see front page where it's located at the top here. You see the front page. Can you see it from here now? You see where your front page is located. Now, if you wanna go on, click on front page and wait for it to load. When it actually loads, keep scrolling down, but while you're scrolling, keep scrolling down a bit, don't be too fast. If you want to comment, you click jump to the latest post, but now we don't want to comment, we just want to submit forum topics. So we just keep scrolling down, small, do it gently, don't be too fast, or else you will scroll past it. Yeah, I have found what you want to see. So you see where they wrote view more discussion / create forum topics. You can see it from here. View more discussion / create forum topics. That's the place that we need to see. Now once you have seen it, now click on create new topic and wait for it to load. And actually by now we have written down the topic that you want to submit. You have written down something that is interesting you want to submit, like you can write about celebrities, about relationships, about love, about school, about anything that you want to write, and make a nice caption for it. So I actually don't use forums because I don't like stressing myself writing down these stories. But if you know that you like writing stories and you know how to write these stories, so you can use this place and make a lot of money from your talent. You don't need to go outside there and keep looking for something that you won't get. Do you understand? So now on this title, you put the headline or the title of that your story. Okay, let me say I want to write story on about a celebrity, and I will just say who am I? Okay, Davido buys Porsche for me too. Don't mind me. He can buy Porsche for me. I know that one. So, but I just want to use it and show you guys something. So now that I written Davido buys Porsche for me. Now that has been my headline. Then I now come over to this place. You see place where you can write down anything you wanna write. Now here you write a relevant something. You don't need to write rubbish, something that can't make meaning. Do you understand? That's why you have to choose a nice headline, and whatever you're writing here must concur with your headline. Do you understand? And use a nice English. So before you come here, don't try to calm what you want to write on your head. Write it down on a sheet of paper so that whenever it comes here, it will be like typing things into your dashboard. Do you understand? So now say something like the love of their life, not the love of my life. Don't mind me. Davido bought Porsche for me yesterday. And necessarily don't have to be this small and tiny, but I just want to use it and teach you guys a lot of things so that you can understand it well. And if you want to add a video to any image to whatever you are posting here, you can come here they wrote choose file. Here they wrote choose file. You can now choose any of your file here. Yes, any file that you want to add, you choose this from here. So that's the main work of that place. Then you can do anything you want to do in your post, like if you want to make it bold, tiny, in italics, or anyhow you want to do it. Now if you have highlighted the post, go back to bold and everything will be in bold. Can you see it? If you want it to be in italics, go back to italics and everything will be slanting. If you want it to be underlined, go and press underline and everything will be underlined. Can you see it? And if you want to change the color, the styles, the font, the size, you can come to font and choose any handwriting you like in the font. Yeah, let me choose Korean. Have you seen how it's written now? Now you can still change the color. Whenever you come to this place, they wrote A, and choose any color that you like, and we will later see the color as it manifests. Now on charge in size, let's choose any size that you want. Let's choose 14, and you can see a lot of things there that you can use. So have you seen all these things now? Now let's remove the highlighting. Have you seen it's in yellow? So if we want to choose red again, you don't want yellow again, you want red. So the only thing we have to do is, if you highlight it again, now choose your red. Do you understand? So I don't want to go far on this, and I thought you understand it by this thing that I just explained. Now the thing is really simple. So if you finish doing this one, you have passed that place. So you need to go and select a category for what you have written. Now we have written a post about Davido, and everybody knows that Davido is a celebrity, and what you're actually written to is a gossip about their personal life. Do you understand? So when you go back to category, you can choose gossip or you can choose celebrities. So let's see how we can do this. Now let's keep scrolling up. Or entertainment, even you see celebrity, let's choose celebrity as our category. Yes, it has reflected there. Then after you have once done all these things, you now submit the post. If you submit the post, the admin will review it, and when he reviews it, he will get instant access and you will get your money. They will put it in your dashboard and you can see it, and it don't take over 24 hours. So that's how you can earn money from forum, so that you won't get confused along the line and make some mistake. So remember the three things I told you here. Just make sure that your headline concords with whatever you want to write, and make sure that you are using correct English in whatever you are writing. Happy earning of money. And please everyone, do me just one favor, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.